I am John Eder, president of B&G Manufacturing. We are a manufacturer of critical hardware, primarily for the energy, Navy, and medical industries. We specialize in exotic materials and tight tolerances, milling, thread rolling, grinding, heat treating, and various other processes all under one roof.
If you like controlling your own kind of pace, things like, if you like being creative, you never know what you're gonna come into. You might come into a day where it's easy, or you might gotta come into a day where you gotta solve a problem.
I think it's very cool to break down the smallest of pieces and create something different so that it can go out into the world and be used by anyone.
Other stuff we do here is for people that are really damaged, and we help fix them.
You get to work with your hands and work on cool machines and learn some valuable skills. I mean, I like math, so it's a good way for me to problem solve doing that as well.
I think manufacturing is really cool because you get to take something and convert it into something that's usable for a product.
Hi guys, how was your trip to B&G Manufacturing?
It was good. I learned so much about what people at B&G Manufacturing do.
I also learned that people really like what they do in their jobs.
Now I really do know what's so cool about manufacturing.